So, good evening, everybody. So, welcome to this resume preparation session. So, in this resume preparation session, we are going to look for the things that how you are have to make your CV according to your job description. Okay. So the things we are going to talk about here, how to build your tailor resume, why you have to build your tailor resume. Okay, using what are the key effective words you have to use. Okay, how to customize your resume layout. Okay, what are the relevant experiences and skills you have to put in your resume. Okay, so why tailor your resume is necessary? So it will going to enhance the visibility. First, it will going to enhance the visibility of your experiences, skills you have, or the things in which you are have a perfection. Okay, and it's also going to highlight how well your skills and experience align with the job or the company's culture which you are going to apply for. Okay, and if you are going to make your resume tailored, so the interview chances are going to be increased because the most of the HR peoples or company going to find out the peoples who have a relevant skills as whatever they have mentioned in the job description. Okay, if you mention the relevant skill which is in job description and extra some skills which is not required there, then also it will sometimes happens that you will not get the interview chance. So that's why we need to make a tailor resume. Okay, and it also going to be increase the competitiveness in this job market. Okay, so whatever the job you are going to apply for, the most many people are going to apply. So how your resume going to be keep it above all those resume? So the reason is that you have to make for that tailor resume. Okay. Jen, then understanding what the understanding job description is. First, you have to find out the what are the skills are in this job description. Whatever the job you are going to apply, first find out what are the skills they are prioritizing. Okay. Then the focus on the essential qualification. Are you eligible to apply for this job? What are the essential skills they are wanting? What are the essential qualification they are wanting? Okay, do you have the relevant experience that they have mentioned in the job description? So those desirable or essential skills you have to look for or things. Okay, adopting job language. Sorry. Okay. So adopting job language, use a specific job description like if you are applying in India. So most of the companies English is a fine language in which you are going to communicate and do your work. In other countries like European nations and all, in those countries you have going to face the language barrier. So that you have to look for the are you able to adopt to that language or not, company's language. Okay, interview insights. So whatever the things they have mentioned in the job description, you can make it sure that most of the question they are going to ask from the in interview our question belongs to the job description they have mentioned. Okay. Then whatever the skills they have prioritized skills they have mentioned in job description, then you match your skills. Do you have those skills in your profile or not? Okay. So if those skills are matching the job requirement, then put it those skills in your resume. Okay, highlights the achievement, whatever the achievement you have in your achieved in your like whatever the prizes you got in the institutions or whatever the prizes you got in previous company regarding anything. Demonstrate that. Okay. Then prioritize your content with the high relevant experience first. Okay, whatever the relevant experience you have, which is going to be prioritized for this specific job description, you have to keep it at that first. Okay, then you keep rest of the things later. Okay, you have to arrange your experiences or content according to the job description. And the last thing, you have to update your resume regularly. Okay, then 1 minute. Then what are the effective keywords you are going to use? So extract the keyword which is related to the required skills and technology. Like they have mentioned, the participant or employee should know how to use PySpark, how to use AWS, how to use ClickHouse. These tools they have mentioned in their required relevant skills. Then you have to identify those skills, and if you have a knowledge of those skills, then mention that in your job description. Otherwise, learn. If you can learn it, you can learn. Okay. Incorporate naturally keywords, whatever you are going to be include, it should be incorporated naturally. Like it will between some kind of sentence or some kind of a good uh, quotation that you have relevant experience in this field or this tool. You have worked on this project with this some kind of tool which is there mentioned. So like that you have to mention. And maintain your natural flow for the both the ATS and human reviewers. So human reviewer and ATS flow means that you have to use the keywords that which can be grabbed by those ATS. You don't have to use any font or syntax. Okay, like we're not able to read by the ATS software or the human reviewer. Okay, you don't have to select any kind of style of the language that very hard or difficult to read. Okay, so you have to think about that also. Avoid the keyword stuffing means don't integrate those keywords or skills which is not required according to the job description which you are going to apply for. Okay, avoid stuffing of your keywords and skills, technology, whatever the things are needed. Okay, then customize your resume layout and choose the chronological format. Okay, you can choose chronological format, functional format, or combination of chronological and functional format to make your resume layout. Okay, how to arrange the things like that. The most best practice is used that your resume should start from the left margin till right margin. Okay, there should be a no some kind of line or a vertical line between the margin which can show different things. Okay, it is not very good uh, professionalism. Okay, enhance the readability cleaner. Like I told you, please, whenever you are going to use a font or a text font, you are going to use that kind of text font which can be readable easily. Okay, and I mentioned previously also, keep your relevant experience or with the job description first. Okay, position of the skills and experience also matters. Then you have to also, whenever you are going to make a resume or for a specific job description, you also have to make a cover letter. So what you will going to be write in this cover letter? You are going to write first thing about the address and the letter specifying a person to whom you are going to write and why you are right person for this job. You are going to give your little bit description. Okay, you're going to express your interest. You are going to align your goals or whatever the skills you have achieved. Okay, you are going to mention all those things in that cover letter. And you at the last you have to give the conclusion of the all the things you have mentioned above. Okay, then final tips, and the final tips are, whenever you make a tailored resume, please ensure you made your resume error free means there should be not a grammatical mistakes in your resume, there should be not spelling mistakes, because if the ATS caught those kind of mistakes, it will going to be reject your resume. So please don't mention those kind of errors in your resume. Then, whenever you make a resume, please get a feedback from any person to whom you can trust, that this same person can give me the honest feedback about my resume. Okay. Then keep updating your resume regularly in the Naukri, LinkedIn, or there are many job profiles are there. Okay. And engage in the networking, build and maintain the professional connections with the people who are in the same profession, like you are in the data science field. So got connection with those people who are in this professionalism. So it will going to enhance or make your easy way to get in a larger network of the field of the data science. Through that, you can have a references, or you can have a opportunity to reach to those job portals. Okay. So there is some of the famous job portal like Naukri.com, Shine.com, Indeed, okay, LinkedIn, okay. So these are the famous job portals through which you can apply for the jobs, okay. Then how to search for the job in the Google. So whatever the job you want, the job role or the designation you are going to want for your job, just search for it in the Google with the some kind of keywords. It will going to show you about a result regarding those job description. Okay. Then what are the keywords you can use in your resume if you are applying for the data scientist? Like you can use you are experienced in or skill, you have a skills in regular regression analysis, NLP, classification, clustering, okay, deep learning, okay, data analysis, okay, ROI, quantitative analysis, problem solving, all those things you can mention in your resume as a keywords to make a resume for the data science. Okay. So before moving forward, just I want to show you the thing. 1 minute. Yeah. I will going to take you to the our one of the job site. Sorry, 360 Digit MG site. Oh, 1 minute. So when you go to the 360DigiTMG .com site, okay. So you have to click on this learning resources. Okay, when you click on the learning resources, click on the resume optimization hub. So when you click on the resume optimization hub, okay, so you will going to navigate to this page. Okay, so then you have to click on get started for the free trial. So this is optimize your resume using with AI. Okay, there is a one product, there is our product through which you have to upload your resume and you have to upload the job description. And according to that, it will going to compare your resume with the job description and give you the score, how much your resume is relevant to the job description. Okay, then click start for free show. Okay, then you have to upload your resume here. Okay, before uploading the resume, you can give the name, email address, and location. After uploading your resume, then you have to put it here your job description. Okay. After putting the job description, you have to click on compare now. Then after clicking on compare now, it will going to give you the comparison or the giving you a one percentage that how much percent your resume is matching with the job description you have mentioned. Okay. If the score is greater than 85 or 90%, then it is good. Otherwise, you have to include those. It will going to give you some kind of suggestion to include in the resume. Then you can also include those keywords in your resume and enhance your resume profile. Okay. So this is for now today, and we are going to meet it again next week for the same thing. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.